Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to render in Premiere Pro. So this is a very simple process and I'm gonna jump right into it. So let's say that we are done with our timeline in Premiere Pro and we just need to render it. We know that we need to render a timeline when we have this yellow line in highlighted in our timeline. It is supposed to be green. So once we're done with our edit, everything looks good. We need to set a name point by positioning our cursor wherever we want and press the I button, and then pressing it, moving the cursor towards the end of our timeline and pressing the O as an out button. So now we have this portion of the timeline highlighted, and what we need to go now is to sequence and render in to out. So now you can see that it's rendering. It's probably gonna take 2 seconds more. And as you can see, when it finishes, the line is gonna be green. It's gonna start playing automatically. And now we are ready to export our video. So guys, this is how you render your sequence in Premiere Pro. Let me know if you have any comments in the section below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video.